Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 8. So for today's episode of Vlogmas, it's gonna be another sit down video and I will be telling you guys a gift guide if you are into like luxury brand and if you just want to spoil your loved ones, if you have a girlfriend or even a boyfriend, husband, mom, your dad. Yeah, so keep on watching because this is just if you wanna like go like above and beyond for them, and if the person is really special, then this video is for you. Okay, so let's start with card holders. This is under $500. Card holders from Louis Vuitton are, I think they're 200 something, 250. They're very great for beginner if the person that you're gonna give are like, you know, into like luxury, and all if they just want to start into like collecting card holders. SLGs are actually a good thing to begin. There's a lot of Louis Vuitton card holders. I actually have two. I have the reverse monogram, which all the picture will be here in the picture, so that is actually great because they can actually keep that forever and they can use it on a daily basis. Card holder, that's gonna be like the first one. Also, if the person that you're gonna give to is like your dad, there's a lot of Louis Vuitton like card holder as well, and they even have like the long wallet for, you know, for your boyfriend maybe or your husband. So that's also another great idea. And if they're into like luxury brand, so that's the second one. So the third one would be key pouches. I know a lot of people will say, oh, key pouches is very basic. I feel like everybody has it. I'm like, they can talk whatever they want, like literally can talk whatever they want, but at the end of the day, it's your money, and if you want to give that to somebody else, it's really okay. Like, it's okay. Like, don't listen to this like, you know, key pouches are like basic, everybody. Like, no, actually I have mine. I literally have two. I have the Mary Bin, I have the key pouches, and if you haven't watched that, I will probably put the screen here, or I mean actually here, or in my description box below. I also review the key pouches, and just look at that video and, you know, try to decide if it's actually really good for you and for the person that you're gonna give to. Because in my key pouch, you can put as literally cash, cards, and even coins in that key pouch. Plus you can also hook up your keys in that one. So that's actually great for you know, gift ideas as well, and it's only 200 something, so it's like under $500. I know LV key pouches are very high demand, and right now, you know, it's like Christmas time, everybody's like buying gifts and they're always sold out. So you just gotta make sure that you call the store, or just keep checking online because they're really hard to get items, especially SLGs right now. Okay, moving on. Also, the next one would be mini pochette from Louis Vuitton, you guys. This mini pochette has been sold out pretty fast. They always sold out pretty fast, and they're very high demand for some reason. But let me tell you, they are worth the money because I have all the print. I have the Azure. I'm so lucky I have the Azure, the event, and the monogram. They're really great. They're just little mini bags, but you guys, it's amazing because even if it's tiny, surprisingly it can fit, like, to me it actually fit a lot of essentials like hand sanitizers, your AirPods, your charging, your charger, your charger cord, your card holder. Like, I'm surprised that they actually fit like a bunch of that little essentials that if you're like going out. So yeah, that's actually a great idea as well for your, you know, gift giving to your loved ones. All right, so moving on, we're gonna talk about fragrance from Louis Vuitton. This one in particular smells freaking amazing. It's the rose fragrance. I'm gonna put the picture here and like the name of the fragrance. But yes, I asked the SAS sample, and you guys, it smells freaking amazing. This is the one that stand out in my decision. This is the one that stand out. it just smells amazing. It's very light, and it's actually really great, you know, to give it to your mom and your loved ones, your sisters, like I said, girlfriend or wife. So that's actually pretty great as well. And speaking of fragrance, I absolutely love the smell of the Dior. I think it's their new, correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know if that's new, but I went to Belk yesterday and I sprayed it on the cardboard. You guys, it smells amazing. For my husband, but it smells freaking amazing. And it's also under what, like $100, I think it's like $100 something. So that right there is already like a good gift for your, like, you know, your dad, like I said, boyfriend, whoever you're gonna give that. It's actually smells amazing. Speaking of fragrance, there's also like Versace, the Bright Crystal. I mentioned it a couple of times. I get so much compliment about the Bright Crystal. That one, it smells amazing. That if you give that to your girlfriend, she will like literally love you and keep you forever, like, because that smells amazing. There's also the YSL Black Opium and the YSL Libre, and also the one in replica that I got from Sephora. That smells amazing as well. This is the last item from Louis Vuitton that I low-key want to get it, and also it is in my wish list, but I don't know, I've been just eyeing it. It's the Toiletry pouches. They have the different sizes. They have like the small ones and the bigger ones as well, so you can use that for like pouches, and you can like literally just put whatever in that pouches, and it also depends on what size are you gonna get. So yeah, that is actually a great gift as well for, you know, for your loved ones. And also, speaking of pouches, is the cosmetic pouches from Gucci, and also the Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch that is also like under $500. So yeah, that's great ideas, gift ideas as well for your, you know, for your loved ones, and if you want to go, you know, like spoil them. Okay, so last, I think that's the only thing from Louis Vuitton. Okay, we're gonna skip to LV and we're gonna go to Gucci. So like I mentioned, Gucci, the GG Supreme Key pouch, that's highly recommend that. And also they have like the belts are also under $500, which is the slim one that I got is, I believe, 300 something, 350. They even have like the bigger belt, which is, I would say, $440, 400, somewhere between those lines, but still under 500 bucks. So I know a lot of people will keep telling you like Gucci is very basic, the Gucci belt is out of the season. Do whatever you want, you know, if you have the money to buy it, like just go for it. Like don't listen to these people. So we're gonna skip on the belts and we're gonna talk about shoes. I know this one is not under 500 bucks, but they're like 600 something. So we were talking about the Hermes Oran sandal. You guys, I freaking love my Hermes sandal so much. I used it earlier this summer, and I will, because it's like a classic piece, you can literally, it will never, I feel like it will never go out of style, because it's like a classic and staple piece. So last but not least is the accessories. So there's Christian Dior that I've been like eyeing, this like simple CD initial from the Dior. I believe they're like 300 something. There's also one from Gucci, and also like necklaces from Dior. I've been loving the choker that my husband got me. So he got me the Christian Dior choker. It's amazing. I love it, and I will keep it and cherish it forever. So that one that he got is around 610. But right, for some reason, when I double check again the price, they went from 610 to 690. So that right there, like the price just went up, and I don't know if they're gonna keep going up, because a lot of, I've seen the choker all over social media like Instagram and also TikTok, like they were unboxing the choker, and it's amazing. You guys, I hope this video is very helpful, and let me know what other videos do you guys want to see throughout this Vlogmas. Let me know in the comment section down below. If you made it through the whole video, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon tomorrow. Bye.